In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for PPC negative keywords fast and easy. Understanding how to effectively use Google Trends can greatly enhance your pay-per-click campaigns, ensuring you're not wasting budget on irrelevant searches. Let's dive into the process and walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Trends. You can do this by typing Google Trends into the search bar and clicking the first link that appears. This should take you to the dedicated Google Trends website. Once there, you'll want to click on Explore to begin analyzing keyword trends. Here you have the opportunity to investigate which search queries are currently popular and how they have trended over time. Now, enter your core keyword into the search bar. For example, if you're in the business of selling athletic footwear, you might type something like, "Buy running shoes." Now it's time to set some filters to tailor the data to your target audience. You can adjust the location to focus on a specific country or region relevant to your campaign. This ensures the data you're analyzing is geographically appropriate. Also, consider setting a time range, such as the last 12 months and since the last 12 months, to capture any seasonal trends. This contextual element is essential, as it aligns your keyword strategy with current interest patterns. Moreover, choosing a category like sports, while optional, can further refine the context of your search. Lastly, decide on the search type, whether it be web searches, image searches, YouTube, and so on, based on where your ads are most likely to appear. After setting your filters, scroll down to the Related Queries section. This is where you can find additional insights into what people are searching for in connection to your core keyword. Focus on queries marked as rising or top, as these highlight trending or popular searches, respectively. As you examine these related queries, it's crucial to spot terms that may serve as negative keywords in your PPC campaign. For example, if your primary keyword is "buy running shoes," you might identify phrases such as "free running shoes," "DIY running shoes," or "running shoe reviews" as irrelevant. For further refinement, Google Trends allows you to switch between search term and topic. Opting for topic can provide a broader view, sometimes revealing unrelated searches that could be added to your negative keywords list. This strategic narrowing down ensures that your ads do not show up for unrelated searches. Finally, to organize your findings, click the Download CSV button within Google Trends. This allows you to export the data for further filtering. Carefully go through the exported queries and weed out those that are irrelevant or low intent. Once identified, these terms can then be added to your PPC negative keyword list in Google Ads. By following these steps, you're well on your way to streamlining your marketing budget and boosting your campaign's effectiveness. Happy optimizing!